Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate it. The overwhelming response has been very touching and very motivating. There's so many of you in a similar position than I am, and I'm glad that we can connect and support each other. This is great for me and for you. I mean, for us. I can't wait for us to continue this cool journey together. I'm actually in LA right now. I just started working again. It's January. You guys know holidays, things slow down a little bit, but now we're picking up. So I've been working a couple of days here in LA. It got real crazy recently with all the fires. It's been kind of a whirlwind, kind of chaotic, to be honest. It's devastating. And then having to deal with that with all of this other pressure of life is kind of exhausting. I have to say though, this sounds really, really like morbid, but I've been through so much shit the last few months, like personal stuff, that like this one other thing of like evacuation and getting things prepared and the fact that you can almost lose your entire life wasn't even that hard for me. It sounds horrible to say that, but it's true. Like, I feel like because I've been through so much that like, what's one more thing? You know, you almost start thinking like that. It's crazy. It's like scar tissue. You have this tough skin and you're just like going. I don't think that that's normal, and you shouldn't think that way. But again, it's just from all of the trauma, you know, and all of the stuff that you've been dealing with. You just grow this tough skin. So I'm just taking it day by day. I'm rolling with the punches. We had to evacuate one night. We went to my grandma's. They live in Riverside, and we stayed there. I took the doggies with me. Then we came back home in the morning, and it was in the middle of my work. Like, I literally had to work at 4 a.m. It was really chaotic. But, you know, we get shit done over here. That's what we do. Si se puede. You can keep going. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So we're getting ready to go on a trip, a work trip, our first work trip of the year, going to NYC. That's probably one of the places I go to the most for work. So we're on our way right now to run some errands. We just got out of the gym, feeling good. All the endorphins are in. So we're gonna go run some errands. We gotta go to Sephora. We gotta get a re-up on some makeup. We gotta go get a blender because I've been wilding out on Erewhon smoothies. They can't really tell me how many calories are in the smoothie. Every time I asked, they're like around 500. And when I Googled it, they were like around 500. I don't trust that. I had a weigh-in recently and it was very disappointing because I actually gained 2 pounds, which was nuts. And I really think it was the Erewhon smoothie. So we're gonna go get a blender. We're gonna start making our own protein chocolate banana smoothie, with peanut butter. So that's where we're on our way right now, just to go get some things to keep shit going. So I'm on my way to Sephora. I need to pick up a couple of things. I've been doing my makeup lately for the gym, like a little light beat, you know. And I've been actually dressing up too. I feel like even though I'm not where I want to be, it don't matter. You look cute no matter what. It makes you feel good. I feel like when you look good, you feel good, and you even do better at the gym. Like, I have to say, since I've been like putting myself together and wearing these cute little outfits and doing my hair cute and like a little bit of makeup, I've been feeling like that bitch at the gym. Like, I be really like out here like, okay, I'm her. So guys, don't wait. Do it now. Don't wait to, oh, I'm gonna wait for my goal to get cute. No, dress cute now. You are cute now. You know, you're cute at any stage of your life, and you just get better and better every day. Every morning when I go to the gym, I always say, all right, I'm on my way to go get better. Boom. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I've been feeling fucking amazing since I've been doing it, and I encourage you guys to do the same. So my makeup routine at the gym has slightly changed because obviously you're sweating, you're working out, you want your makeup to stay on. So I'm thinking to do like my makeup routine for the gym, like how I actually do it and what I do to help so that it doesn't get all over the place and how it actually stays on. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to do a video on that. I feel like it's pretty, I have it pretty down packed, so I'm gonna share that with you guys. All right guys, I'm gonna do some shopping and I will catch you later. Bye.
So do you have the diffuser?
No, I'm gonna need, I want to get for one car, is it good to get one or two?
One is fine.
What's that one? Oh, this is a plug-in for the house.
Yeah, that's for the home.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this.
So this one, you can get it. So you can pick between bay, roses, figure, and 34, and it's 120 with the whole thing.
I'll do the base.
The bay. Let me grab it.
These are refillable ones?
Yeah, those are the new ones.
The white tea smells so good. To wear for like every day. I think we should go get our ears. Yeah. So pretty. That's so cute. So pretty. Which ones are more really shiny? I like them. Oh, the letters. I used to love to send letters. Kodak cameras. We need to take them to get them developed.
Yes.
And then going to the mall to take pictures.
Yes.
And then going to school the next day and putting notes on the back. Mine too. I wonder if my mom would like this, the one I like. Good Girl Gone Bad.
That's nice.
It's nice too. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Never seen anyone with that many coins.
Goddamn.
One day we'll have a full China collection. Look at these big salad bowls too. Wow. Looking for our eggs. Is that for deviled eggs to serve? Look at how nice these napkins are. Do we need like real napkins so when we eat it looks prettier? Should we just take those? It's giving sexy. We don't even have. We're gonna go with this situation. To me, this looks like money, honey. Like you made it in life. With the bee and everything. This is goals. This is how our setup should be at home for breakfast. I'm not gonna accept anything else from you. Look. Look at the pink ones. This is good for my banana bread. It's so much prettier, huh? Which color you like? Green? The green.
This and like brass is like beginning to end.
Is there a brass one too?
That's the only that's the OG.
Okay, but that's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, these are so pretty. I knew I shouldn't have settled. I almost got a cheap one.
This new one here, I kind of like this one, but it's
See?
not for everybody. It's kind of got a cool little.
This is so pretty.
Let me check your
It's
mixer.
giving granny, but I don't care. Should I? Flowers bloom, so does hope. Wow. Inspiring. Isn't that beautiful? $60. Nope. Okay. Let's see. Pisces. I like that they have sunglasses on. Compassionate, selfless, imaginative, compassionate, selfless, imaginative.
You right.
You right. When you right, you right.
Just stay still.
It's your fault. You told me about it. Thank you so much, David. Thank you for your help. Okay, between the Louisiana one and the Asian one, which one do you think is better?
That one's okay. The flavor is not that great. The flavor that they're thinking of here is more like what our gumbo tastes like.
No.
If I had to be honest. The Louisiana pasta is very popular with the bow tie pasta and the fried chicken on top. It's really good.
Oh, it's fried chicken.
It's fried chicken.
Can I do it with blackened chicken?
Yeah, they can grill it and blacken it instead if you like.
Yeah, please. I'll do that.
Instead of the turkey burger bun?
No. We're just getting this extra.
Okay.
So Louisiana chicken pasta with blackened chicken instead of fried.
We don't need this.
Food hits.
Still is out here matching Trader Joe's.
How many cartons do we have at home? None. Oh, none? Let's get this one. This one sounds like it's bomb, huh? They also have a hazelnut one. Light rose. It's not terrible. Has sugar, juice concentrate. I don't know, it's probably not the best for you either. Alright guys, just got home. Ran some errands. I tried to do a few things to make me happy, which is hard. Actually going to the gym I thought was gonna help me, but it made me sadder because everybody in the gym was so sad. My trainer was even like crying, like it was really bad. So the vibes are sad in LA, obviously. Kind of like no matter what you do, you can just feel the energy and everyone is like, stay safe, stay safe. So yeah, it's a little sad right now. So I'm just gonna do a few more things, you know, self-care. I bought myself some new pajamas. I'm gonna make the banana bread I said I was gonna make because they are clearly ripe. And I'm also gonna get some stuff together and do a drop off for the Altadena girls. You know, I'm a makeup artist. I got tons of makeup, tons of self-care things, and they need some. So I'm gonna put some stuff together for them and drop off tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully those little things that I can do that just stay proactive is gonna help you feel better. You know, if you're feeling low and sad, I encourage you to try. You don't have to. I mean, obviously do what makes you feel good, but try to push yourself to do a few things. Sometimes it helps, like going to the gym, taking a walk, making some banana bread, putting care packages together with whatever you have. I'm not buying anything. I'm literally whatever's in my closet, beauty closet that I haven't used, I want to give it away, you know? Just do those things and that kind of helps a little. I mean, it obviously is never going to take the pain away, but you know, it's helpful. So yeah, let's get into this banana bread. Let's make this shit. It should probably cool down a little more, but I kind of want it hot, no?
Yeah.
Oh, and see how I left chunks of banana? That was on purpose. I don't know if you knew that. But I purposely leave chunks so that when you bite into it, you were wondering why?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. Because then you get those nice bites in there of banana. It's so nice.